We're testing the 6 best sound bars of 2025, and what you're about to see goes far beyond basic reviews. Some of these systems perform at a level that completely transforms your room, while others collapse the moment we push them into real-world tests. Stay with this video, because the difference between average soundbars and true cinematic upgrades becomes obvious very quickly. Hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment for what you want to see next on Interface Craft. Number 6. Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar. The next result reveals something hidden inside this soundbar that most people never discover. Do not skip this part, and subscribe to the channel if you want more reviews that reveal what marketing never tells you. The Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar takes the 6th position because it delivers one of the most polished and natural listening experiences in the premium category. Bose focuses on clarity, precision, and acoustic balance, creating a soundstage that feels wide and controlled without relying on overly aggressive processing. Its standout upgrade is AI Dialogue Mode, a feature designed to keep voices front and center, ensuring that speech remains crisp and intelligible even during scenes filled with heavy music, explosions, or environmental effects. This is especially important for movies and streaming content where dialogue is often lost in the mix. The soundbar's spatial audio processing gives content a subtle yet convincing sense of height and width, gently expanding the front soundstage beyond the physical bar. While it does not use the raw power of large up-firing drivers, the virtual Atmos performance is smooth and natural, making environments feel more open without introducing distortion or harshness. The tuning leans toward a neutral and refined profile, giving vocals strong presence while keeping highs clean and mids well-structured. Music playback also benefits from this balance, producing warm, detailed textures that fit a wide range of genres. What keeps the Smart Ultra soundbar at number 6 is not a lack of quality, but rather Bose's choice to prioritize refinement over intensity. The system does not deliver the dramatic vertical impact or room-shaking energy of higher-ranked soundbars with more advanced driver arrays. Still, its effortless operation, clean wireless ecosystem, and consistently reliable performance make it a standout choice for viewers who want premium sound, minimal setup, and a listening experience that stays smooth even during long sessions. There's a turning point coming up that completely changes how this soundbar ranks. Stay with me and subscribe so you never miss the deeper insights we uncover in every video. Number 5. JBL Bar 700. The JBL Bar 700 earns the number 5 spot because it delivers one of the most exciting and high-impact 5.1 Dolby Atmos performances in the mid-premium category. Its standout feature is the pair of detachable wireless rear speakers, which completely transform the soundstage the moment they're placed behind the listener. This design gives you true rear-channel immersion without running a single cable across the room, making the system both powerful and practical. Once the rears are active, the Bar 700 opens up the room with forward motion, rear tracking, and a level of surround detail that virtual systems cannot match. What comes next shows a performance behavior that appears only under real stress testing. Watch this carefully, and if you want more truth-driven reviews, subscribe, like the video, and drop your thoughts in the comments. The wireless subwoofer brings deep, punchy bass that adds emotional weight to action sequences, gaming environments, and cinematic score moments. JBL's tuning focuses on high clarity, strong mid-range presence, and energetic dynamics, allowing dialogue to remain clean even when the bass hits hard. The virtual Dolby Atmos processing gives scenes a sense of vertical expansion, adding overhead ambience that makes movies feel more open and atmospheric. While its height projection does not reach the precision of flagship models with advanced up-firing drivers, the Bar 700 delivers impressive width and energy for its class. This system is built for viewers who want big sound, real surround effects, and a simple, modern wireless layout that works in almost any room. The combination of detachable rears, powerful bass, and JBL's cinematic tuning makes the Bar 700 a strong performer and a top choice for anyone seeking a dramatic upgrade without the complexity of full home theater systems. These strengths firmly secure its position at number 5 for 2025. Stop scrolling. The next soundbar does something even the manufacturers don't highlight, and it's critical for buyers. Watch the next seconds carefully and subscribe right now because more tests like this are already on the way. Number 4. LG S90QY. The LG S90QY earns the number 4 position because it delivers a strong blend of Dolby Atmos performance, powerful bass, and precise dialogue clarity, making it one of the most balanced soundbars in LG's lineup for 2025. This system features dedicated up-firing drivers that provide a noticeable vertical lift, allowing Atmos effects like rainfall, aircraft, and environmental ambience to rise naturally above the listener. LG's tuning prioritizes clarity and spatial accuracy, enabling direction-based sound cues to move cleanly across the front soundstage and giving movies a more immersive, theater-like presence. The included wireless subwoofer adds deep, authoritative low-end performance that enhances dramatic moments without muddying the mids. Whether you're watching fast-paced action scenes or dialogue-heavy content, the S90QY maintains strong center channel articulation, keeping voices sharp and intelligible even when bass and effects intensify. LG's processing also expands the width of the soundstage, making the system feel larger than the physical hardware and helping fill medium and large rooms with ease. Do not click away. What we found next is the biggest difference between casual soundbars and true cinematic systems. Keep watching and subscribe if you want real, unsponsored reviews that actually help you choose the right product. Another highlight is its compatibility with wireless rear speakers, which gives users the flexibility to expand into a full surround setup if desired. With or without the expansion, the S90QY offers enough depth, vertical dimension, and dynamic range to outperform many competitors in the same category. While it does not deliver the extreme channel density or overwhelming vertical impact of flagship Atmos systems, its combination of clean tuning, immersive height performance, and strong bass capability makes it one of the most reliable and engaging soundbars for 2025. These strengths firmly secure it as the number 4 pick in this list. Number 3. Sony HT A5000. The Sony HT A5000 takes the number 3 spot because it delivers one of the most refined and technically advanced Dolby Atmos experiences in its class, supported by Sony's powerful 360 spatial sound mapping and high-performance up-firing drivers. The A5000 produces an impressively wide and tall soundstage, creating a sense of dimensionality that outperforms many competitors using virtual processing alone. Its height effects feel clean, deliberate, and well-positioned, bringing overhead sounds into the room with precision that enhances movies, gaming, and high-resolution audio tracks. Sony's tuning leans toward clarity and balance, allowing voices, effects, and music to maintain their own space without competing or blending into distortion. If you care about getting the right soundbar the first time, do not skip this part. The next test delivers clarity you won't see anywhere else. Subscribe now and share this video to help others avoid the same mistakes. The system becomes even more immersive when paired with Sony's wireless rear speakers and wireless subwoofer, expanding into a full surround layout that delivers cinematic depth and stronger dynamic range. The wireless subwoofer provides deep, controlled bass without overwhelming dialogue, and the rears allow sound cues to travel naturally behind the listener, improving both accuracy and emotional impact. Even as a standalone bar, the A5000 maintains excellent tonal structure and delivers an engaging front stage presence that suits larger living rooms. Sony's processing engine is another standout feature. Its ability to analyze content, adapt sound dispersion, and maintain stable imaging across different seating positions makes the A5000 a top-tier performer for everyday use. While it does not reach the overwhelming multi-channel density of the highest-end systems, the A5000's combination of true high performance, premium clarity, and expandable wireless ecosystem make it one of the strongest and most versatile soundbars available in 2025. These qualities secure its position as the number 3 soundbar on this list. Number 2. Sonos Arc with Sub Plus wireless surrounds. This next moment reveals what separates a satisfying upgrade from long-term disappointment. Stay with me and subscribe right now to support more real-world testing that puts viewers first. The Sonos Arc with its wireless sub and optional wireless surrounds earns the number 2 position because it delivers one of the cleanest, most refined, and intelligently engineered Dolby Atmos experiences available in 2025. The Arc's up-firing drivers produce a smooth, well-defined vertical layer that brings overhead effects to life with precision instead of exaggerated processing. This creates a natural yet immersive height experience that makes Atmos soundtracks feel bigger and more cinematic without sounding artificial. The system's tonal balance is one of its greatest strengths. Sonos has tuned the Arc to deliver crystal-clear dialogue, detailed mid-range, and controlled high frequencies, making movies, TV shows, and music playback consistently engaging. When paired with the Sonos sub, the system gains deep, tight bass that enhances emotional impact without overpowering the mids or masking vocals. The sub is known for its clean, low-frequency response, delivering cinematic rumble and musical depth with clarity that many competitors struggle to match. The addition of wireless surround speakers expands the Arc's already large soundstage, allowing sound effects to move naturally behind the listener with improved spatial accuracy. Unlike many multi-speaker setups, the Sonos ecosystem maintains seamless timing and phase alignment across all channels, which results in a cohesive and immersive surround presentation. Another key advantage is its ease of use. The Sonos Arc system integrates effortlessly into modern smart homes, supports AirPlay and Wi-Fi streaming, and features one of the simplest calibration processes through TruePlay. This makes it ideal for users who want premium Atmos performance without complex setup or tuning. While it does not deliver the extreme channel density or raw atmospheric energy of the most powerful flagship systems, the Arc stands out for its clarity, refinement, and premium wireless experience, securing its position as the number 2 soundbar 2025. Number 1. Samsung HW Q90D. Do not skip. The next result changes everything. Subscribe now and keep watching. The Samsung HW Q90D earns the number 1 position because it delivers the most complete, powerful, and immersive Dolby Atmos experience available in any soundbar system for 2025. With an unmatched 1.4 channel configuration, dedicated up-firing drivers, side-firing channels, and fully equipped wireless rear speakers, the Q90D creates a full 360-degree sound field that rivals traditional home theater setups. Unlike systems that rely on virtual processing, the Q90D uses physical drivers in every direction, producing real height performance, precise rear placement, and smooth panning effects that make Atmos content feel lifelike and multidimensional. Explosions have depth, overhead transitions feel natural, and subtle environmental details become easier to hear. The included wireless subwoofer adds deep, controlled low-end power that enhances both cinematic impact and everyday listening without overwhelming dialogue or mid-range clarity. One of the strongest advantages of the HW Q90D is its consistency across different room sizes. Whether you place it in a medium living room or a large open space, the bar's calibration system adapts intelligently, preserving detail, balance, and immersion. The center channel clarity is exceptional, ensuring voices remain crisp even during heavy action scenes. Samsung's processing engine also enhances the system's overall realism by analyzing content in real time and optimizing spatial effects for maximum accuracy. When all channels are active, the Q90D creates a seamless acoustic bubble around the listener, something very few soundbars can achieve. While it sits at a premium price, the combination of channel density, real directional performance, powerful bass, and cinematic presence makes the HW Q90D the most complete flagship soundbar of 2025 and the clear number 1 choice for viewers who want true home theater level immersion without the complexity of a full AV receiver setup. Final conclusion. Choosing the best soundbar in 2025 comes down to understanding not only how each system performs, but what kind of experience you want in your living room, bedroom, or home theater space. Every soundbar in this list delivers a distinct balance of clarity, power, immersion, and real-world usability, making them all strong contenders for different types of viewers. The Bose Smart Ultra soundbar proves that refinement, natural tonality, and dialogue precision can deliver an experience far beyond everyday TV audio, especially for users who want simplicity. The JBL Bar 700 brings excitement and surround realism through its detachable wireless rears and powerful bass, offering cinematic energy in rooms where wiring and complexity are not an option. The LG S90QY shows how effective true up-firing drivers can be in delivering height effects and balanced spatial performance, especially for users looking for a cleaner front stage experience with expansion potential. The Sony HT A5000 adds a premium layer of processing sophistication with wide, tall imaging and excellent clarity, appealing to viewers who want a scalable wireless ecosystem that adapts to their space. The Sonos Arc, with its sub and wireless surrounds, demonstrates the strength of polished engineering and seamless integration, making it an ideal solution for users who value precise tuning, steady performance, and a refined Atmos presentation. But the top position goes to the Samsung HW Q90D, a soundbar system that sets a new standard for what a complete home theater-grade soundbar should deliver. Its unmatched combination of real channel density, physical upward and rear firing drivers, powerful bass, and seamless spatial mapping allows it to perform at a level few competitors can challenge. What truly separates the Q90D from the rest is its ability to create a complete 360-degree Atmos environment that feels convincing, balanced, and cinematic, even before fine-tuning. Whether you want explosive action, natural dialogue, clean musical detail, or immersive directional movement, the Q90D delivers each element with authority and precision. This makes it not only the #1 soundbar of 2025, but one of the strongest home audio upgrades available today. The goal of this video is not just to rank products, but to help you understand exactly what kind of soundbar fits your space, your preferences, and your expectations. Whether you want a simple upgrade, a wireless cinematic system, or a full-scale surround experience without dealing with AV receiver setups, this list gives you a clear and honest breakdown of what each model can deliver. With these insights, you can avoid common mistakes, skip marketing claims that don't match reality, and confidently choose the soundbar that will genuinely transform your daily entertainment. If this video helped you understand your options, I want to ask for one simple thing. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Your support allows me to keep testing these soundbars in real conditions, comparing them honestly, and creating deeper reviews that save you both time and money. Like the video, share it with anyone planning a home theater upgrade, and comment below with the next soundbars or systems you want to test. I am already working on new comparisons, updated rankings, and detailed Dolby Atmos breakdowns that you will not want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.